Okay, this is the oyster, guys. My first time open a oyster, and we will see how it's gonna. Okay, so we have the ice here, we have the oyster, we have the knife, and I have the glove here. Ta-da! This is the glove. So let's try to open the oyster. Okay, so
okay, babe, what are we doing?
we are going to. It's very small. Okay, we are going to open the oyster. This is my first time opening oyster, so we'll see how.
We found this seafood market that had all this fresh stuff in it, and we love
Okay.
oysters. So we're like, and he's gonna mix this amazing like dipping sauce with the bumbu seasoning. You're gonna have to push it harder than that, babe.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're very, very hard.
And then I have to kind
And the fine. Yeah. That's it. Take the top of it off, and that's it.
And then.
See any expensive pearls in there?
So I have to do like this.
Oh, you could, yeah. Or
So,
not.
okay. Ta-da! Put it here.
Okay.
Okay, it's a mission.
Yeah, it's a mission. Okay,
So,
we just had to look on YouTube
how to open an oyster? We
to
found it.
open a freaking oyster.
Take a look at this.
Because the way that we were doing it wasn't
wrong.
apparently the fastest and easiest way. So you do it on the back end, what they call the foot. And it opens up a lot faster and quicker. And voila. And put it in a suitcase. Okay. So he's doing it the right way now, and he's rocking now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Awesome.
he's rolling. Look at that. Looking good. Huh?
I can't see what you're doing.
Or etiquette. When you curtsy at the T-Mobile.
You are so ugly to your mother.
Curtsy at the T-Mobile, mother. When she did your phone.
What more?
The curtsy at the T-Mobile.
I did do that, didn't I?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Yeah.
You're laughing at me.
For what?
No, we were just joking. Because we were bored already.
I got enough bag, honey. You need it?
That's it. So now the tasting time. Okay, babe, taste.
Okay. I'm going to try bumbu puti.
Okay.
Okay. Mm. I always talk about the the bumbu puti being a very nice, clean flavor. Very good with the oysters
Okay.
because it's a nice complement to the oyster. And these are here from Virginia. We had some the other day from the Gulf of Mexico,
Tallahassee.
Tallahassee, in Tallahassee. And this is
The
the
green.
basil one. Love the basil on anything I've ever had. And I think this is going to be amazing on. Yeah. Very good. Nice. Again, it's fresh. But you get that Asian basil flavor in there. Really good. And I had the bumbu mera. That shit was spicy.
And then bumbu kuning. You already have
This one.
Yeah.
That was really good. How do I describe that?
Very rich.
I feel that kind of Indian-ish
Curry, but it's not curry.
curry, but not curry
Yeah.
in the oyster, in the cuisine. Really nice flavor. Not overwhelming at all.
Okay.
It's still complimentary of the oyster, but
And then the salmon.
but really good. Samawa.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe less curry,
Less curry flavor.
but you still have that.
God, something's coming in on that, and I can't put my finger on it. A milder flavor, but equally as good as the cuisine.
The last one.
Milder in flavor.
Let's try black sesame with that.
So the black sesame is the roasted black sesame that is probably the most unique of all the flavors that we even have at the restaurant.
Yeah. If you guys want more lime, you can squeeze lime. You can
Yeah.
put more salt or whatever.
So everything that I've that we've ever made with the black seasoning has always got this kind of smoky flavor to it, without being smoky. Smoky black sesame. So again, it brings in that smoky black sesame flavor into the oyster. Very unique flavor. You've never had anything like it. So all of these, there's 6 seasonings here. They all bring their own unique flavor base in there. And there's not one that I would not recommend. If you like spicy, definitely the bumbu mera. None of the other ones are spicy, but if you want to add some spice, you can certainly add our sambal in there with a little dash of that. A little goes a long way. But all of these are so uniquely created to bring in some amazing flavors that there's not one that I would not recommend.
You want to try the white sesame?
Okay. Okay, so guys, this is a white sesame dressing. Normally that we would use at the restaurant
For salad,
chicken, but you can also use it for
you have like a grilled chicken and
grilled chicken,
grilled breast
marinade
chicken, and cut and pour that on the top. You are done.
So good. All right, so I am just going to.
Oh my gosh, how many did you already
Well,
have?
I've already had 6, so.
2, 4, 6, 8.
I could have slipped in a couple more. All right. So this is gonna have a little sweetness to it too.
Yeah.
Oh, yum. So the sweetness with that roasted of the tamarind, coconut sugar in there.
Yeah.
Coconut sugar in there with the roasted white sesame this time. Wow, really good combo with the oysters.
Okay.
So there is nothing you cannot do with any of these seasonings, what we call the dressing, what we call the sambal. We give you recommendations on the seasonings, but get past that. Just keep going, because there's so many things you can do with it. And we're just showing you just one of 17,000 ways that we can use these seasonings.
From 17,000 flavors of
Indonesia.
So don't forget to go to
17,000flavors.cooking
and buy the
and
seasoning.
order your supply.
And go wild.
Go wild. Use it on everything. Have a great night.
And
And thank you very much and happy holidays.